Today we're looking at the dual clutch transmission clutch motor electromechanical unit unlocking tool for Ford DPS6 6DCT250. You'll find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. For technical reasons, I can't include a video of the product itself, so I'll walk you through everything using a screencast. The tool is designed for unlocking and servicing the clutch motor assembly in Ford DPS6 and 6DCT250 transmissions.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
Most commonly used in Ford Focus and Fiesta models with power shift gearboxes. These transmissions are known for their jerky shifts and clutch actuator faults, and that's exactly where this tool becomes important. This unlocking tool helps remove or reset the electromechanical clutch motor when it gets stuck or needs recalibration. It's a small but precise tool, often made from high-strength steel, with fittings that match the clutch housing of the DPS6 unit. It's used mainly by professional mechanics, but is simple enough for experienced DIY users who already know how to disassemble the transmission safely. When you open the box, you'll typically find the main unlocking unit with an adjustable pin and threaded ends. The mechanism works by aligning with the actuator's mounting points and applying even pressure to release it from the clutch drum. This prevents damage to the internal clutch motor gear or actuator shaft, which can be very expensive to replace. In practice, the unlocking tool saves hours of work. Without it, the actuator can seize inside the housing, forcing you to pry it out, which often leads to broken seals or misalignment. With the unlocking tool, the process becomes smooth and controlled. It's one of those tools that looks simple, but is critical if you want to do the job right. The overall build quality depends on the manufacturer, but most of the versions found online are solid and well machined. Threads engage smoothly, and the steel resists bending or stripping. Some versions, however, may come with inconsistent finishing, which means it's worth checking the seller's ratings before buying. Another key point is compatibility. This tool is specific to the Ford DPS6 and 6DCT250 dual-clutch transmissions. It won't fit other gearbox types. If you work on VW or Renault DCT systems, you'll need a different unlocking kit. But for Ford owners, this one is almost essential if you plan to fix actuator issues yourself. In terms of use, you start by disconnecting the actuator harness, removing the bolts holding the motor, and then mounting the unlocking tool in place. Turning it slowly releases the internal spring tension and frees the actuator without forcing it. Once the motor is removed, you can inspect the clutch forks and position sensors or replace the actuator if needed. One thing to note is that this tool doesn't solve transmission performance problems by itself. It's purely mechanical and used for safe removal and reinstallation. If your car is still showing transmission fault codes or slipping after actuator replacement, you'll need to reprogram the TCM and perform clutch relearning with diagnostic software. From a cost perspective, this unlocking tool is affordable compared to professional shop rates. It can pay for itself after one use if you regularly deal with DPS6 issues. However, if you're not experienced with gearbox work, it's better to consult a mechanic before attempting the repair. Overall, the dual clutch transmission clutch motor electromechanical unit unlocking tool for Ford DPS6 and 6DCT250 is a solid piece